In this video, we'll explore the exciting world of writing a best-selling novel using AI. Our purpose is to guide aspiring authors in leveraging artificial intelligence to streamline their writing process. AI can simplify complex tasks, making it easier to develop plots, characters, and dialogue. Imagine the potential of crafting an entire novel in just 30 days. With the right tools and techniques, you can harness AI to enhance your creativity and productivity. Join us as we delve into practical tips and strategies that will empower you to transform your writing journey and bring your literary dreams to life. Step 1. Identifying your novel's genre and target audience is crucial for success. Start by researching popular genres such as fantasy, romance, or thriller to find your niche. Understanding the characteristics of each genre will help you position your story effectively. Next, define your target audience. Knowing who you're writing for allows you to tailor your writing style and content to their preferences. Utilize AI tools to analyze trends and reader preferences within your chosen genre, providing valuable insights that can shape your narrative. By aligning your story with audience expectations, you increase your chances of creating a captivating bestseller. Step 2. Developing a compelling plot outline is essential for a successful novel. Start by utilizing AI story generators to brainstorm unique plot ideas and unexpected twists that can elevate your narrative. Once you have a collection of ideas, create a structured outline that highlights key plot points and character arcs, ensuring a cohesive flow throughout your story. It's important to include a strong beginning that hooks readers, a middle that builds tension, and a satisfying end that resolves conflicts. A well-crafted outline serves as your roadmap, guiding you through the writing process and helping you maintain focus on your story's direction. Step 3. Creating well-rounded characters is vital for engaging storytelling. Start by using AI character development tools to generate unique character profiles that include essential details. Focus on each character's motivations, backgrounds, and relationships to add depth and authenticity. Understanding what drives your characters will make them relatable and memorable to readers. Additionally, ensure diversity in your characters to appeal to a broader audience, reflecting various cultures, experiences, and perspectives. This inclusivity not only enriches your narrative, but also resonates with a wider range of readers, enhancing the overall impact of your novel and making it more compelling. Step 4. Writing the first draft is an exciting phase in your novel journey. Set daily word count goals to keep yourself on track for the 30-day challenge, ensuring consistent progress. Leverage AI writing assistants like Grammarly or Jasper to enhance your writing, providing suggestions for clarity and style as you compose. Remember, the key at this stage is to embrace the editing process later. Focus on getting your ideas down first without worrying about perfection. Allow your creativity to flow freely, knowing that you can refine and polish your draft in subsequent revisions. This approach will help you maintain momentum and motivation. Step 5. Editing and refining your manuscript is crucial for a polished final product. Start by using AI editing software to identify grammar and style issues, ensuring your writing is clear and professional. Once you've made initial edits, seek feedback from beta readers or writing groups to gain diverse perspectives on your work. Their insights can highlight areas for improvement that you might have overlooked. Don't hesitate to revise your manuscript multiple times. This iterative process is essential for enhancing clarity and engagement. Each revision brings you closer to a compelling narrative that resonates with readers and stands out in the market. Step 6. Preparing for publication and marketing is an exciting final step in your journey. Start by researching self-publishing platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, which offer user-friendly options for getting your book into readers' hands. Utilize AI tools for cover design, ensuring your book stands out visually, and explore marketing strategies tailored to your target audience. Creating a comprehensive marketing plan is essential. Outline tactics such as social media promotion, author events, and email campaigns to effectively promote your novel. By combining these elements, you'll enhance your book's visibility and increase its chances of reaching a wider audience, paving the way for success. Conclusion. In summary, we've explored the essential steps to writing a best-selling novel using AI, from identifying your genre and target audience to creating compelling characters and refining your manuscript. Remember, taking action is crucial. Start your writing journey today and embrace the tools available to you. The power of AI can significantly enhance your creative process and help you achieve your literary goals. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with fellow aspiring authors. Your engagement not only supports our channel, but also fosters a community of writers eager to learn and grow together.